Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about the Onlyone Water Dental Flosser. Inside the box you get the product itself along with a variety of different attachments. The attachments do have a variety of different uses that you can reference in the instruction manual, but what's kind of neat is that they have a few that are for the teeth and then one specific for the tongue. It also comes with a USB cable that you can easily charge right here in the port, and about a 3-hour charge will give you about a month's worth of use. The tank can hold up to 300 milliliters of water, and you have an access point here to fill the water, or you can twist and take the bottom off for easy cleaning. To attach one of the nozzles, you simply just insert it into the hole, and then to release, you just push the button and it comes right out. Once the nozzle is in, you can also adjust it according to the angle that you prefer. To operate the unit, there is a button here. So you just hold this for a second to turn it on, and then to cycle through the different settings, you have a low, a medium, a high, and a pulse setting. The flosser does have a memory setting, so the last setting you had it on, it will automatically go to that one for your next use. It's a great alternative or even an addition to flossing, as it really does get in between teeth in a different way. It also has a nice ergonomic handle here with some little bumps to increase your grip. It's also really lightweight and easy to travel with, and again, very easily chargeable. One quick tip is that before you turn it on, make sure you have the nozzle inside of your mouth, because just a reminder, as soon as you turn that power button on, water is going to start squirting out, and you don't want to make a mess, so just make sure you have the nozzle in your mouth ready for your flossing. Overall, having a water flosser like this one is a great addition to your dental routine. Highly recommend, and I hope this review is helpful for you guys.